William kneels by the edge of the tiny creek, where the water usually flows in silence. Today, something is different. A single, perfect ripple repeats in the exact same spot over and over. Chewy, the dog, leans in, his ears perked with intense curiosity, while Bubbles the hen hops closer with a puzzled cluck.
William points toward the surface, his voice hushed with wonder.
"Why is the creek making ripples when nothing is touching it?" he asks. The mystery begins to pull them in. Suddenly, the nearby wondergate begins to creak. A pulsing blue-green light radiates from the ancient wood, and a glowing ripple symbol carves itself into the surface. Glow sprites drift out like shimmering droplets of light.
William shouts with excitement. It is a creek adventure! Chewy lets out a bold bark as Bubbles pecks the glowing symbol. With a sudden rush of cool air, the gate swings wide.
The trio feels themselves shrinking, stepping forward into a world where magic and water collide.
They emerge into a realm of wonder. Giant water droplets shimmer in the air like floating diamonds,
and boats made of emerald leaves float gently by. Every pebble glows with a soft light when touched, and the water itself ripples in response to the sound of their voices. The glow sprites hover near the repeating ripple, guiding their eyes. William watches the water closely, realizing the creek is trying to tell them something. Suddenly, a heavy stone tablet rises from the muddy bed, displaying 3 mysterious symbols. The glow sprites jingle a challenge. Find what is making the ripple. William drops a pebble, creating a heavy splash. Chewy nudges a leaf, making a soft, wide circle. Bubbles pecks a stick, sending out a long, thin wave. None of them match the repeating pattern. The tablet remains dark. Then, 3 new clues appear: a bug, a droplet, and a hidden bubble. William stares intensely until he sees it, a tiny bubble rising from under a rock.
"It is the bubble!" he cries. He touches the icon, and the tablet erupts in a brilliant blue light. The mystery is solved. The creek world fades as the trio returns to the backyard. William smiles at his friends.
Ripples happen when something touches the water. Every ripple has a cause. The creek is calm now, but the adventure is not over. As the Wondergate closes with a final shimmer, William feels his backpack start to glow.
A new symbol appears, a star trail. He whispers to the wind, "Glow sprites."
You are calling us again. They stand ready for the next journey, watching the peaceful water flow once more.